Okay, I'm just out here at a Gliderol roller door. These are a very popular system, but this one's giving an erratic operation. It just stops randomly and opens again. Even though, as you can see, you can't stop it manually. It's on the minimum sensitivity you can get, which pretty much means you can't stop it in an obstruction. But the circuit board decides to stop and reverse anyway at certain spots. So after some extensive testing, I've just put this down to a faulty circuit board. So we're going to unplug this one. I've taken the screws out, and I've already tried this other circuit board and it works, not a problem. So we'll just pop that one back in, put the motor wires and the transformer plug back in, and that'll be enough just to give it another test run. The sensitivity is set at about the midway point, which is probably a bit low for this door, but it works fantastic. It's nice and safe. As you can see, the door fully closes. You can put a bit of pressure on there. So this circuit board's outputting some nice power. And we'll just make sure it does stop and reverse, and that stops quite easily with a bit of extra pressure. Just make sure it closes once more. And then we'll do one more test down the bottom to check the auto reverse system, just to make sure this is running nice and safe. If anyone gets caught down there, that stops super easy. So this is running perfectly. So there you go, faulty circuit board. Unfortunately, that one has to go in the bin. I'm that roller door bloke. Thanks for watching.